Welcome to GrammarFlip. We give a hoot about grammar.
How or to what extent? And many verbs end in ly. Now, not all of them do, but many of them do, so just keep an eye out for that as well. So just remember the questions: where, when, how, to what extent. Let's look at a couple. So if I were to say, I walked there, well, immediately we know that walked is our verb, and it answers the question, where did you walk? So there is an adverb modifying the verb walked. If I said, I walked yesterday,
Visit GrammarFlip.com for video lessons, practice exercises, writing activities, and more. Start your free trial today.